how to make an app in which we will change the age in years into change in hours, age in hours. Yes. So shall we begin? Perfect. So this is our code. Okay. All right. So remember this window that we learned in the trial class? Okay. All right. So what was our first step? Our first step is to define the purpose. Our purpose is, yeah, perfect. Okay. So first I'll click on design. Okay. I'll show you how it is done. Okay. So we will take a label first. Okay. And in this label, I will write enter your age in years. Okay. So I'll bring it to the center so that it looks neat. Okay. Now next I will add a text input. Okay. So first we did label because it's going to this, but now we have to get the number, right? So I add a text input box so that you can enter the number here. Okay. Then I will put a button. Yeah. And I will say calculate age No, we can have it anywhere. We can have it how we like it. Okay. So and in the flow, we cannot have it in the top, but we can have it in the bottom. Okay. Calculate age in hours. Okay. Then next, I will add another label saying your age is okay. And then I'll add another label. This is going to be my answer, right? So I'm just going to change the background color for this label so that we know that this is the answer. Okay. So I'll just give it a very light shade so that we'll just know the answer. Okay. And we will make this box big because we don't know how big our number is going to be. So we'll just make this 150 and this 50 so that we will be able to see our answer correctly, and we'll remove the text. Your age is, and then here down I will put hours. All right. So first we will get the age in years, then we'll calculate the age. So see, it's getting cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend it a little so that it fits correctly and everything is visible. Okay. That is very important in designing, that nothing should be hidden. Okay. So enter your age in years. I'll get the age here, then I'll calculate here and I'll get my answer here. Perfect. Yes, wonderful. Okay. So here also again we have to click the button to get the answer, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use on event function. On event, click button 1. Okay. So when button 1 is clicked, there should do something. Yeah. So that is going to be set text. Yeah. This option here, set text. Yeah. And then I'm going to use, because I have to display the answer here. So what is the ID? Can you see the ID? Yeah, so I will put label 3. So the answer should be displayed in label 3. But what should be displayed here? So I will click on math because we need to calculate. No? Ha. Yes. So multiply, another multiply, because two things, no? So what will come here? 365 and perfect. And here we have to get the value from here, right? Yeah, so how will I get? I'll go back to UI controls and I will say get text. And I'll put it here. And the ID should be? What's the ID? Yeah. So we will use text input 1. Did you understand? So here set text because we are setting the text. Yeah. So set text for label 3. So we are setting the text for this, which is 365 into 24 into the value that is entered here. So we will get the text from here. Got it? Understood? Okay, so now this is done. So now I will click on run. Okay, so tell me, what is your age? So I'll enter 9 and we'll see Akshit's age in hours. Yes. So Akshit this many hours old. Yeah? Yeah. Understood? Okay. So done. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to stop this recording. Okay. Yeah. And then, huh.